That laundry software is continuing to evolve and getting better. There have been many great advances on it, depending what application. Currently, for laundromats, there's some wonderful software that helps you keep track of revenue per machine, revenue per day. You can help you really manage, when your peaks and valleys are happening in terms of, okay, on Wednesdays, let's run our senior special, see if we can get our pricing down and get some customers in. So you can really use a lot of that software to manage your store. You can manage remotely a little better. You can give refunds to customers on it. You can see error logs on the machines of when they maybe you start to see something that's happening with a drain valve or a water valve or a door lock or gas valve or something that might be happening to that machine. Then you know that maybe that you need to schedule some maintenance on that. So we're seeing a continued evolution of combination of not just operating for, let's say, even hotels, of how proficient you are, but also on the maintenance side of what's happening with the machines and being able to record those things. It's really manufacturer specific because the machines are hardware architecture, so they've got to be able to be integrated to be able to report to something. And so there are third parties that can integrate with that on payment systems and et cetera, but the back end, as far as mechanical, a lot of that has to be tied with the manufacturer specific to be able to communicate to that device. So as again, that's continuing to evolve. There's been there's been several iterations of that, and we keep getting better at it. But I don't think it's fully developed, but it's getting closer every day.